Hi there. Just wanted to give you a quick video on there seems to be a little confusion about the submissions here for the Smithville case. So just wanted to give you a little insight on that. So when you're generating the reports and everything that were required to be submitted over the weekend, what I need you to do is just go right in here, like reports, for instance, the general journal for that requirement. So here's the general journal, the different transactions that have been created. The easiest thing to do at this point would be just to print this report, and then in your printer queue, you should have the opportunity to print to PDF. If you apply that and print it, it'll then pop open. Where do you actually want to save that to? So you could go to your desktop, create a folder, that sort of thing, and then just email me that folder. You might need to compress it if it's a large file, but I do need that as soon as possible so I can wrap up the grading for the course. So if you have any questions about that, feel free to reach out to me through email or by phone, and we'll go from there. So thanks so much. Have a great day.